How do you handle the intake and receiving of an electric vehicle in your shop? We're going to find out next. Most of today's EVs, including hybrids, use lithium-ion batteries. In some circumstances, HV batteries may experience cell failure due to damage or other faults that can result in unsafe conditions. Only HV technicians who are familiar with the specific vehicle and the HV parts locations should perform the initial inspection. One of the first things to inspect when an electric vehicle comes in is the condition and stability of the HV battery. Always assume the HV battery is fully charged and that the parts of the HV system are fully energized. When inspecting an HV battery, look for evidence that the battery may be compromised. Tears, punctures, ruptures, smoke residue, unusual sounds, or abnormal odors. Also, look for discoloration, deformation, melted seals or connectors, or metallic splatter. A compromised battery has an inherent risk of overheating due to the introduction of oxygen and moisture into the battery. The normal reaction in the battery produces heat, and a coolant is used to keep the operating temperature of the batteries at an acceptable level. If there is a loss of this coolant and the heat builds and cannot be dissipated sufficiently, the battery can ignite. A burning lithium-ion battery will not easily be extinguished and can reignite. Calling the fire department in the event of an HV battery fire is a necessity. Also, if the electrolyte leaks from the battery, it can pick up moisture from the air or come into contact with water and create hydrofluoric acid, a strong acid that can cause severe burns. In addition, hydrofluoric acid and hydrogen fluoride gas produced when the battery combusts is poisonous and can be inhaled and absorbed through the skin and permanently damage the lungs and eyes. If the battery is compromised, it is best to quarantine the vehicle outside at least 50 feet from structures, overhead wires, or other vehicles. A danger or high voltage sign should be placed on the vehicle, and do not roll the vehicle on the wheels as this can generate voltage to the battery system. Once a vehicle has been inspected and deemed safe by a certified HV technician, a pre-repair scan of the vehicle should be conducted to determine if there are any DTCs. Some codes may identify issues such as loss of isolation, system interlock loop, or other HV system issues, which could present a safety or electrocution hazard. If no HV-related DTCs are present, additional scanning can be done to observe live data of the HV system. Again, this should only be performed by a trained EV technician. The live scan can reveal abnormal variances in battery temperature or excessive voltage variations. Both of these occurrences may indicate a problem with the HV system. It is important for the HV technician to be familiar with the specific vehicle being inspected. It is also important for the technician to know and follow all OEM-specific procedures. Understanding the potential dangers of EVs and their HV systems and having the training, equipment, and knowledge to properly service and repair them, including the initial inspection, is essential to performing a complete, safe, and quality repair. I'm Jason Stahl. Thanks for watching.